Happy Tuesday, everyone. So I just want to get on the stream quickly, show you how I managed to navigate these markets this morning. So a pretty wild sell-off in the world stock market indexes across the board. We're actually seeing a little bit of a bounce off at the lows, but yeah, I mean, as I said, massive sell-off overnight. We were down on the S&P before the actual open price. We were down, 82 points. The NASDAQ was down over 300. So things were melting off, and this helped me lean into my short bias. So I had two trades today. We can go over them over here. So let's bring them up. I had ES shorts as well as NVIDIA shorts. So I took a nice payout to my personal account as well. But let's speak about the first one. ES shorts, pretty simple. I took these trades live on stream on SFX TV. The link is in my bio. You can use the code FIRST for a free month to trade live with me. But basically, very, very simple. We've sold off overnight. I was expecting a little bit of a rally because we're not going to move in one direction the whole time. We get a relief bounce. And I'm looking at this level here, previous day's lows, as an area of interest. So I end up taking an entry with a little bit of a wider stop on ES. I do believe it was about 20 points. And that's okay. We're trading back against the opening range high as well as the VWAPs. But I really did like these shorts from the sell-off overnight. That's what we get here. I'll take some profits back here at the New York session VWAP, which is this blue line over here. And then I'll trail my runner over here down at the lows over here. So it was a nice little trade on ES. Let's go over to the NVIDIA chart as well. Very, very similar. If you notice this as well, NVIDIA, we pop on the open, get back under New York session VWAP. So this is technically actually a better technical trade for me because I was trading in line now with the New York session VWAP compared to ES where I was trading against it. And this is why I do like trading sometimes some individual stock names on my personal trading account as well as with some prop firms that do allow it. But a very nice trade here on ES, and then followed again, keeping the short bias. NVIDIA does tend to drag the markets as well. So getting short underneath the New York session VWAP, and I'm looking for new lows, and I get a nice little runner on that. So nice trading today across the board. I think you want to be pressing when the time is hot and laying off when it's not. When I see big overnight moves, I know that volatility is in and I want to be trading it. So something interesting and something why I kept the short bias was if you look at the previous day's range report on, we can even look at NVIDIA because I traded it today. Let's look at NVIDIA in the last 6 months. We can see, let's go like this. And let's go to NVIDIA previous day's range report. Let's go like this again. Sorry. Let's go previous day's range. Okay. And let's go to NVIDIA like that. We can actually see over here. Let's go last 3 months. Okay. We can actually see that when we've taken out the lows, we still want to lean to the short side. And when we take out the highs, we want to lean to the long side. So when we broke through those previous days lows on ES and NVIDIA, that just led me to be looking to continue trading in that direction. So some clean trades here today. Obviously, not everything's going to be as nice as today and as clean. And that's where we just want to keep it super, super simple. Trade in line with that, the data as well as that the New York session VWAP. So ES, okay, I'm trading in line with the overnight trend, looking for a good level to short off of it, and I end up taking a nice position here. I managed this pretty well as well. We suffered some drawdown before it ended up coming down. Obviously, not every single entry is going to be picture perfect. And then NVIDIA, a little bit of a cleaner entry on this. But yeah, I took these trades live on stream, so you can join me every single day there. I hope that you guys are doing well. I took these on personal and prop accounts. I think that you should be using prop accounts to fund your personal and continue growing as a trader. But I hope that you guys had a good day. Let me know in the comments, and we will see you guys on tomorrow. Cheers.